GYMNASTICS, and I hope today is good. But better watching this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a foam sheet without any cotton or wool, and this only requires a few things, and I think you should have most of these around your house, so it should be really easy to make. You can make this in under 2 minutes, and it's super easy to make. It'll be exactly like the foam sheet you buy at the shops, but it'll be a lot cheaper to make. And in this video I'll be showing you 2 ways, so make sure to not skip, because if you do miss anything out it won't come out right. Before we get onto the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and without any further, let's get started. This is the first method, and for this you need 2 sheets of paper. They don't have to be the same size because you can always trim it at the end. This will be around the same, and you can make any shape you want. I'm just going to make a square today. And you also need any type of glue, and you just want to glue both of these. While you're gluing it, you want to be quite generous with the amount, or else the foam sheet won't actually work out properly, and you want to cover all of it without leaving any gaps. Once you've glued all of it, you want to get a foam wrapper. You normally find these if you've bought anything online, and this will probably be in the parcel. I just want to push down on it, making sure it's glued down. If there are any flaps, you just want to take it out and then glue it again so it sticks on firmly. Then you want to glue the other piece as well. Just do the same as you did at the beginning with the other piece, and then glue it on top of it. You want to try and get them to match so it doesn't really overlap, but you can trim it like I said. Just press on for about 3 seconds. You don't want to press too much or the foam will go down, and you want to take it and then press it on the other side. And this is the last step, and you just have to trim it. And when you're trimming, you want to make sure no flaps are hanging off. If you want, you can just draw out the line and then cut it. Remember, you don't have to use coloured paper. You can literally use any type of paper. Even plain paper will work. Or you can even use card. Once you've trimmed all the edges, it should look a bit like this. And then, as you can see, it has thickness to it as well. And then it's like 1 millimeter thick. And now this is the second method. This one is a lot easier, and it will be a little more thick as well. So for this, you don't need any glue, you just need paper and some double-sided sticky tape. You want your double-sided sticky tape to be thick, because I know there are thin ones, and if you use that it won't work. It just look like 2 pieces of paper glued together. And then you will just want to get your double-sided sticky tape and just place it onto the paper. And then you just want to keep going until how far you want it to go. I'm just going to add a couple more, but this is your choice how big you want it to be. And you don't want there to be any gaps, and you don't want to stretch it at all. And you just want to stick it down. A tip is, if you want it to be less sticky, you can just take off one side and then stick it down, and then once you've done that you can just take off the other side, and that way it is a lot easier because your hands won't get sticky. Then you're going to get another piece of paper. Once you're happy with how many squares you stuck down, you just want to place it on top, and you want to make sure this is bigger than the amount of sticky tape you've laid down, because you can always trim it just like we did before, but you can't really add more in the middle. You just want to press it down and then again just trim it. And this is the foam we've made. It's quite small, but it's a lot better than the first one we did because it's quite thick and then it's really squishy as well. And I just think it looks a lot better, and it was a lot easier. You can use these foam sheets in a lot of DIYs, and I like making roses with them. So if you want to know how to make a rose with this foam sheet, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because if you do, then I will post a part 2 making roses. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked how your foam sheet turned out, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And once you subscribe, turn your post notification bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.